Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to build a WordPress website with Namecheap. First, you'll need to select a memorable domain name that represents your brand or idea. Next, choose a suitable hosting plan from Namecheap, considering factors like storage and bandwidth. Once you have both, link your new domain to your hosting account, which is a straightforward process within the Namecheap dashboard. This foundational step is crucial for getting your site online. With your domain and hosting ready, the next step is installing WordPress. Namecheap offers a convenient one-click installer, making this process incredibly simple. You'll be prompted to create your WordPress admin username and a strong password. Remember these credentials, as they are essential for logging into your site's backend. After a few moments, your WordPress installation will be complete and your new website will be live. Now that WordPress is installed, it's time to personalize your site. Start by selecting a theme that aligns with your vision. There are thousands of free and premium options available. Next, enhance your site's capabilities by installing essential plugins for security, SEO, and other features. Finally, begin populating your website by creating your initial pages and blog posts, bringing your content to life. To truly make your website unique, dive into customization options like changing colors, fonts, and layout. Regularly optimize your site for speed and search engine visibility to ensure a great user experience and reach a wider audience. Before launching, thoroughly test everything to ensure it functions perfectly. Remember to check the description for a link to amazing leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, as well as other great deals. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.